everyone, welcome back to our channel today. We're going to teach you how to create a beautiful origami deer. Origami is a fantastic hobby that not only helps develop fine motor skills and spatial awareness, but also provides an excellent creative outlet. Let's start with the basics. You'll need some paper, preferably something sturdy like cardstock or construction paper. The first step is to fold the paper in half lengthwise and crease it well. Next, fold the top corners towards the center crease, creating a triangle shape. Now, unfold the paper and fold it in half again widthwise. Crease this well too. Now, take the top corners and fold them down towards the center crease. Your paper should now resemble a diamond shape. Next, take one corner of your diamond and fold it up towards the center crease. Repeat this with the opposite corner, but instead of folding it upwards, fold it downwards towards the bottom of your paper. This will create your deer's head and body pattern. Once you have your pattern set up correctly, start creating your deer by unfolding each section one by one until you have a complete deer shape. And voila! You've made your very own origami deer. Remember, practice makes perfect. Origami takes time to master. But with patience and persistence, you'll be able to create intricate designs in no time. Thanks for tuning in today. If you enjoyed this tutorial and want to see more fun projects like this one, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more content just like this one coming soon on our channel. Until next time, happy crafting!